Here we are today in the lovely Eastmoor South neighborhood in Columbus, and we're going to look at 2940 Astor Avenue today. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch on a corner extra large lot is just wonderful, and you have to see it. Let's go inside. Here we are inside this beautiful ranch with its 3 bedrooms and full bath over here. And as we walk in, we see that we have this beautiful family room and dining space here. And it flows really well back into the kitchen. As you can see, there's lots of windows and natural lighting. It's beautiful space. Over here, we have the double-sided fireplace, which is lovely. So you can have that beautiful, serene fire on both sides of the living area. As we step back here into another living space that has a full bathroom back here, along with the attached garage. It's beautiful. There's lots of space in this house. As we move over here towards the back door, again, we have lots of natural lighting because we have plenty of large windows. We come to the backyard, which is 1/3 of an acre. It's got a double lot, extra large, fenced in, with a beautiful covered porch. Now that you've seen this lovely home in this beautifully landscaped backyard, let's go take a look and see what the community has to offer. Eastmoor South Swim Club is just a hop, skip, and a jump over. Let's fly over there and take a look at it. Here we are at the Eastmoor South Swim Club, which has been a pillar of this community here in Eastmoor since 1956. And it's just a walking distance from the lovely home that we're showing you today. Come on, let's go inside. Well, here we are inside the pool, and this pool boasts hundreds of members with a swim team for kids of over 100 swim team participants. Usually is in the top 1 or 2 of their swim team league, and it's available for membership for all community members. As you can see, we have a lovely pool here, diving board, water basketball. As you can see, this facility is lovely for the use of its members. It's a great place to spend your summer. They have all kinds of activities, family movie night. They participate in the Bexley 4th of July parade with a float, and all the kids love to walk in that parade with the float. Lots of family activities, cookouts, parties. It's also available to members for rental for their own private parties. It's a wonderful place. Take a look around. Well, thanks for coming to 2940 Astor Avenue. I'm glad you could make it. If you want to see this property in person, this lovely home, just give me a call, text, or email, and I would love to show it to you. Jeff Kanowsky, Capital Ohio Sales Team, Keller Williams XL Realty. See you soon. Bye.